So you let Shorty in the green bean, and this is what happens. Look at this. We are nowhere near civilization, and we stuck in green bean. Stuck.
You did that. You did that shit. You did that. You did this. I got it where it said. You got it stuck where it said. Like stuck.
It's stuck. Two-wheel drive.
You did that.
No good.
No, we did it together as a couple.
Hey, I sprayed nitrous a second ago.
He said, I just blew it up.
I just blew it up. Fun.
Couples goals.
You know what's even funner?
What?
Being able to go in the house and turn some heat on. I'm not a fan of this crap, man.
It
is.
Like, really, people. There's some snow out here.
It's snow. And then below the snow is ice. And then below the ice is more snow. This ain't my thing, man. And it's coming down like crazy, man. Look at this. It's coming down like crazy. Of course, you see old Guzzler ain't been touched. He's chilling. That's an emergency.
Trying to start old green Georgia.
Georgia, and the battery done died on us.
She ain't having it. We need to get her some juice. Still a little bit. Come on, Georgia.
Nope.
She tried.
She tried.
She tried. At least I know she.
Press lock and let's try it again.
Unlock. Come on, Georgia.
Woo!
Georgia. Yes.
So we got Georgia Ann started running in this craziness.
I feel good about it. Like,
Oh yeah, she's tough.
I mean, I know, but I'm just saying she didn't start the day.
No, she didn't, because it was like 9 degrees.
Like, I ain't doing this shit. You know I'm a V8. I'm a V8. So.
9 degrees. So, and we had two-tone out earlier. Y'all can't even tell. Look at this. You can't even tell. I had two-tone out 3 hours ago. Look at this.
Look at this.
She got a little rumble.
Come on, look closer.
She got a little rumble. Look at this though.
Look at Green Bean.
Green bean stuck. I'm stuck. Help me.
His old cousin, old Goldie gonna come.
Ah!
Not today.
Look at this, man.
Smell that? Go get some whiff of it.
What is it?
Exhaust.
So I get a whiff of that every time I start that green.
Smell that?
I'm
smells a little rich.
No, I'm glad she's running.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, she came through. She was like, look, I was just playing that day. I'm good.
Georgia Ann said, I'm going to start up and run. Yeah. We got some juice jumping in that. Got some juice jumping in that. Juice jumping in that. That car cover ain't coming off. So we ain't.
Baby. I'm just so glad to hear you, baby. Listen to him.
I heard him.
Listen. You hear me?
Mm-hmm. Well, party's over. I'm not no fan of this weather. Snow coming down. It's the truth. I don't like it. It's the truth. I don't. While everybody else is, let's go do snow riding. Let's go sledding. Let's build snowmen. Let's stay in a damn house.
And just
sleep it away. Hoping that it's March.
My birthday.
April.
My birthday.
June. May. You know?
March.
If I could sleep like a bear and hibernate and sleep through all winter, I would. You know, you take individuals like, hey man, November's coming. I'm ready to go do something to get me locked up for the next 4 months. Don't sound like a bad idea.
Seriously?
I do not like it.
Seriously, you'd rather be in jail?
I'm not saying I'd rather be in jail, but I'm just saying I don't like cold weather.
Okay, whatever. It's not forever. If you don't like it that much, then we need to get out of Kentucky.
Kentucky we shall do. It's well on the way.
You don't like it? Let's go.
We're going.
Oh. Okay, so Shorty went to have some little fun and I knew it would probably get stuck, but now he gonna try to prove me that he can get it out of here. We at home. Look at that one wheel peel, right? This weather, man, I am over it. Come on, Swaps. You ain't doing nothing, baby. Hey! Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
I just blew it up.
Are you serious?
Guarantee it.
I don't know, but you're digging a hole. You ain't blew nothing up. You silly. Hey, you digging a hole. I wasn't trying to like tear up the yard, Swaps. That's up to you, but we don't need to keep just digging a hole.
Huh?
Let's just leave it for now. It'll be fine. Still yard ornament.
Yep.
Green bean's fine. You talking about you blew it up? You know you blew that truck up. Come on. You're not going nowhere. You in a hole. Stop. Stop.
So you let Shorty in the green bean, and this is what happens. Look at this. We are nowhere near civilization, and we stuck in green bean. Stuck.
You did that. You did that shit. You did that. You did this. I got it where it said. You got it stuck where it said. Like stuck.
It's stuck. Two-wheel drive.
You did that.
No good.
So we did it together as a couple.
Hey, I sprayed nitrous a second ago.
He said, I just blew it up.
I just blew it up.